Welcome, so today I am with Skullcandy Crusher ANC headphones and I'm going to show you how we can move them to the pairing mode. So at the first we have to grab our headphone like that and take a look on the left headphone, on this one. We can find right here this button and we have to click and hold it until this indicator blinks on the red and the blue. So let's make it right now. Click and hold. Right now our device is turned on and right now we are in the pairing mode. So, when we refresh the list of available devices, we will find our headphones. So right now I can tap on them once and we will be finally connected. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.